Joseph Morgan is a British actor and director. He was born in London but lived in Swansea for 11 years. He is the oldest child in his family. He was a student at Morriston Comprehensive School and then studied a BTEC Performing Arts course at Gorseinon College before moving back to London to study at the Central School of Speech and Drama in his late teens. Morgan met actress Persia White on the set of the Vampire Diaries. They began dating in 2011 and became engaged in 2014. They married on 5 July 2014 in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. He is a stepfather to White's daughter. Morgan is a supporter of the charity Positive Women. Morgan played Nicholas Mickelson in the CW's The Vampire Diaries 4 and played Lysander in the 2011 film Immortals alongside Henry Cavill. In January 2013, a backdoor pilot for The Originals, a spin-off series of The Vampire Diaries, began airing with Morgan starring as Nicholas Mickelson. In 2010, he played the title role in the miniseries Ben-Hur, which first aired on CBC television in Canada and ABC TV in America on 4 April 2010. Morgan starred in the first series of the Sky One television series Hex as Troy and has appeared in supporting roles in films such as Alexander and Master and Commander, The Far Side of the World and the BBC Two television series The Line of Beauty. He has also appeared in the television series Doc Martin and Casualty and co-starred in Mansfield Park alongside Billie Piper. His brilliant performance in the series not only saw him reprising the role in the series spin-off The Originals, but his role also evolved into lead character in the latter. Besides playing Klaus Mickelson in The Originals, Morgan also directed two of its episodes, namely Behind the Black Horizon that aired in Season 3 on April 8, 2016 and Keepers of the House that aired in Season 4 on April 7, 2017. Over the years, he performed in many other films including starring roles in Armistice and 500 Miles North. He was producer-writer in the short film With These Hands and director-writer in another short film, Revelation. In 2016 crime drama thriller Desiree, Morgan played the starring role of Eric Ashworth, while the titular character was played by Nicole Baden. While striving to make a mark in television, he forayed into the big screen. The Academy Awards-winning all-male cast American film Master and Commander, The Far Side of the World that released on November 14, 2003, saw him playing the supporting role of William Worley, captain of the Mizentop.